Hey everyone, today I have this simple turquoise stone-inspired design to share with you. To start, I applied a base coat to all of my nails and then I painted them with a blue polish. Generally you want to use a lighter polish, but this was the closest color I had to turquoise. Next I applied a latex barrier around my nails to protect my skin. I then randomly applied 3 different blue polishes to a makeup sponge and sponged them onto my nails. I used the same sponge for all of my nails, but I rotated the sponge to get a different pattern on each nail. Once the polish was opaque, I quickly removed the old latex barrier before applying a fresh coat of latex all over my fingers to protect them when water spotting. I then added a drop of black polish to a cup of room temperature water and sprayed the surface with hairspray before dipping my nail into the broken up polish. I cleaned away the excess polish and removed my nail from the water. I then repeated the process with a gold polish. To ensure that there was enough of the gold in the design, I brought my nail back through another section of the broken polish when I removed it from the water. Finally, I removed the latex and applied a top coat to seal in the design. What did you think of these nails? They would have looked a lot better if I'd actually used a turquoise polish for the base, but I still really liked how they turned out.